Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Energy and precious metals weekly review and outlook. Investing.com, woohoo, gasoline prices are below 4.00 and a gallon. Inflation come in lower than expected. I hope you enjoy this wonderful economic news, but I'm afraid to tell you it may not last. Feel free and avoid oil bull and analysts at Chicago brokerage Price Futures Group wrote in one of his market commentaries 2 weeks ago. The OPEC Plus Alliance of oil producers will decide in just over a week from now its flames right. A flurry of support was expressed on Friday by OPEC Plus member states including Iraq, Venezuela, and Kazakhstan, about 3 days within the 23-strong oil-producing alliance to intervene and restore balance in the oil market. A week earlier, OPEC Plus de facto chief Saudi Arabia said the group could cut production anytime, after its Secretary General Haitham Al-Ghais of Kuwait hinted that output restraint could be an option for bringing the market back into balance. Balance is OPEC plus cash price for production cuts. A situation is deemed necessary whenever oil prices are at the risk of the continuous decline. For heights of almost 140 a barrel in March, global crude benchmark Brent has come down to just around 100 United States crude. Meanwhile, hovers at under 95 from peaks of above 136 months ago. But the problem with any production cut by OPEC Plus is that will not only boost the price of oil but also that the pump price of gasoline, something the Biden administration is trying hard to prevent. Since last November, Team Biden has drawn down the United States National Emergency Oil Stockpile called the Strategic Petroleum Reserve to 37-year lows to add up to 1 million barrels per day of supply that would bridge any crude shortfall experienced by United States refineries. The net effect of the so-called SPR relies in a United States market that's now virtually swimming in oil, so much so that some of the emergency oil now ends up as United States crude export that soared to a record height of 5 million barrels per day 2 weeks ago, adding to global supplies as well. This is what OPEC hates. Data for the most recent week to August 19 showed that in addition to shipment of 4,177 million barrels of United States crude, there were 9,899 million barrels of gasoline and 2,070 million barrels of other oils that made it for overseas sale last week. The total of overwrought the previous week, then oil sales of 10,709 million. In terms of crude production itself, the United States put on 12 million barrels per day last week. The United States is nearing 1 day's production of oil for the combined crude and product export it is doing. Observed Jock Skilduff, partner at New York-based energy hedge fund against capital erosion of market share was what led the Saudis to ramp up production before the pandemic to try and kill United States shale oil, said Kilduff. At the rate the United States is exporting oil, Saudi Arabia and the rest of OPEC should be worried for their market share. Although United States crude production remains below pre-pandemic heights, the short of export numbers will raise Saudi eyebrows for sure. They won't like this one bit, I can tell you. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.